Ever wondered why some homes feel more spacious than others? It's not magic, it's perception. By strategically arranging your furniture, you can make your home feel twice as big. Hi, I'm Emma, Darius Mirkonic's assistant. Let's explore how to create an open and inviting space. Decluttering isn't just about tidiness, it's transformative. Removing unnecessary items can open up your living area, making it feel more expansive. Discover the impact of a clutter-free environment and how it enhances your home's perception. Natural light is your best friend in creating a welcoming atmosphere. It not only brightens up your rooms, but also makes them appear larger. Let's delve into how you can maximize natural light in your home. Light-colored walls and ceilings can work wonders in small spaces. They reflect light, creating an illusion of depth. Learn how mirrors can further enhance this effect, adding both light and dimension to your rooms. Clever storage solutions can maximize your space, keeping your home tidy and spacious. Discover multifunctional furniture that serves more than one purpose, helping you make the most of every inch. Vertical storage is a game changer. By utilizing wall space, you free up the floor, making your home feel bigger. Let's explore how to implement vertical storage effectively in your living area. Minimalistic decor plays a crucial role in enhancing space perception. By keeping things simple, you allow your space to breathe. Learn how rugs and curtains can define spaces without closing them off. Consistency in color palette maintains flow and openness. By choosing complementary colors, you create a harmonious environment. Remember, by applying these tips, you'll transform your home into a spacious haven. Now let's put these ideas into action. Well, that's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching, and feel free to hit subscribe if you like this content. And be sure to make it a wonderful day.